looking at here, folks, down in the back 40 of our property where we've been working all day, there's Trachycarpus Fortunei palms growing in the forest. That's not the only one. There's a lot of palm trees in this forest. These ones have been growing since the 1990s. I threw seed in here, and only the hardiest survive, because what happens, it gets really wet. The creek overflows, and some of them probably rotted out. But like I say, after spreading thousands of seeds, some have adapted, and these ones have definitely adapted in here. And Sam, you can see them along here. There's a lot of them along the creek bed. There's actually thousands of seedlings growing everywhere, and I can see palms poking up through the ferns. So these are western sword ferns with windmill palms growing under the canopy of red alder trees. It's quite wet down here.
It is.
Yeah, they're growing right beside the creek, and actually some are growing in the creek. So it's kind of an experiment I've had over the years, just broadcast thousands of seeds around, and survival of the fittest. Some of them adapted, some of them didn't, and now that's what they look like after many years of growth. And yeah, they should be taller, but because there's so many trees around, there's a lot of competition, right? Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Like and subscribe, Gulf Island Rock, for more videos.